In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Freexar dashcam to the Freexar app and how to download recorded videos to your phone. Step 1. Turn on the dashcam's Wi-Fi. First, stop recording. Then open the menu on the dashcam. Use the buttons at the bottom of the device to switch to the Wi-Fi menu. If Wi-Fi is turned off, turn it on. For faster file transfer, we recommend enabling the 5.8 GHz option. Step 2. Connect your phone to the dashcam. Scan the QR code with your Android phone or iPhone to download the Freexar app. Open the Freexar app, then tap the plus button in the upper right corner. You will see 2 ways to turn on Wi-Fi, by voice command or manually. Then tap the Connect button to set up the Wi-Fi connection on your phone. Turn on Wi-Fi on your phone and wait for the dashcam's Wi-Fi name to appear. It usually starts with the model name. Tap it, enter the password shown on the dashcam screen, and connect. After the connection is successful, return to the Freexar app. Wait a few seconds and the app will access your dashcam. You can now view the live camera feed, pause or start recording, take photos, and explore more features. In this video, we'll focus on one of the most commonly used features, downloading recorded videos to your phone. Step 3. Download and view videos. Tap the file button in the lower left corner. Here you can find videos recorded by the dashcam, including loop recordings, emergency recordings, parking mode videos, and snapshot photos. These files may include footage from the front, rear, left, and right cameras. Tap the multi-select button in the upper right corner. Choose the videos you want, then tap the download button at the bottom. Wait for the download to finish. The videos will be saved to your phone. Go back to the main screen and tap Album, the second option at the bottom. Here you can view all videos downloaded to your phone through the Freexar app. Tap any video to preview it. You can use the grid at the bottom to switch between different videos. Or tap the full screen button for a better viewing experience. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps. If you still have questions, please contact us using the information below or leave a comment.